Alright guys, I've got some chicken on the pit, some little chicken wings. I've got some homemade barbecue sauce in the pot. I've got some tongs. I'm going to show you how I do chicken wings. I like to buy the Tyson whole wings at Walmart, the one that comes in the long rectangular pack. The ones that still have the wingtip attached, and I like to use a knife and separate the wings. I'm not big on the frozen wings, the ones that you can get in bulk, like at Sam's Club or whatever. They don't have the same taste as the fresh wings. They shrink a lot too. Here's my wings. I'm gonna go ahead and touch them with my finger and see how far they're coming along. Yeah. Those are ready. Once that skin starts to crisp up, oh, and by the way, all I put on the wings was salt, because we're using a barbecue sauce and all the flavors in the sauce. If you don't put any salt at all on the outside of the wing, they're going to not crisp up very much. The salt pulls the water out of the wing. Helps you crisp it up. Alright. A lot of people use a basting brush. I find that's really wasteful. Just use tongs and dip it. These are fully cooked now. They're almost done cooking, so you're not contaminating the sauce by putting the wings in. Go ahead and toss it around the sauce. Let any excess drip off. I'll put it on the pit. Depending on how fast you are, these wings can burn before you can get them all flipped over. So just do a few wings at a time. You don't have to do them all at one time. Ready? You're not trying to turn the whole chicken wing black. But you do want a little bit of crust on the outside. Alright. Let's see where we're at here. Woohoo! Hot. If you don't put enough charcoal in the pit, not only will this chicken, which takes about 50 minutes to an hour, not only will that not crisp up, you won't have a hot side at the end to crisp up the wings, to crisp up the sauce, caramelize the sauce. If your sauce doesn't have very much sugar in it, it's not going to stick to the wing either. I highly recommend using a sweet sauce on chicken wings. There we go. That's what you want right there. That's what you want. My apologies if you can't see it. That's perfect right there. You want to have a little bit of black on your wing. That's how you want it. If you like a lot of sauce, whenever you take it off, dip it back in. Alright, just like that. Alright, let me go ahead and finish these up. Holding the phone is making this really, really hard to execute properly.